Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is all about how to download Xbox application in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. Let's begin the video. In order to download Xbox application, go to the Play Store if you are Android user, and if you are iPhone user, go to the App Store. Here you can see the search box and then type in Xbox application. Here you can easily find this application. Tap the install button. While installing or downloading the application, make sure to have a stable internet connection. The Xbox application is for Windows, Android and iOS. Xbox helps as a companion app for video game consoles, providing access to Xbox Live community features, remote control as well as a second screen functionality with selected games, application and contents. You can stream games from Xbox. You can also record games, manage installed games and socialize with other gamers. Once the app gets installed, click the open button. This is how Xbox application looks like. In order to use Xbox, you need to log in or sign in your account. After that, you can easily download and play games. So this is how you can quickly download Xbox application in your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any feedbacks or comments, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys with next video. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.